Topic is all about addition of integers. This lesson is for quarter one. Objectives. Add integers using models or colored counters. Add integers using other rules. Start from this activity 1. Jose saves 8 pesos from his daily allowance. However, he has to pay 5 pesos to the class treasurer. After paying the class treasurer, how much is left from his savings for the day? What is the amount of money left? Okay, so we have 3 pesos. How can we find this 3 pesos? We just subtract 8 minus 5. Okay, so we can add integers with the use of these color counters. Color counters come in 2 different colors. One for positive counts and one for negative counts. A pair of 1 negative and 1 positive is a 0 pair. So, yellow is positive, red is negative. If we combine, so it is 1 plus negative 1, it is 0. The sum of the opposite integers, or any opposite integers, is 0. Next, let us represent negative 5 plus 8 using colored counters. Okay, so it's negative 5. As we know, we have 5 negative colored counters. So, red counters. 5 red counters. Another, for positive 8, we have 8 yellow counters. So, if we combine together the positive and negative, or the negative and positive, the red and yellow, we will have 5 pairs. Okay, therefore, 5 negative counters and 5 positive counters add up to 0, leaving 3 positive integers. Let us have illustrative example. A diver dives to a depth of 3 meters. After checking out the corals, he dives to a point that is 5 meters lower. At what depth is he now? For the solution using colored counters, so we will have 3 red colored counters since we are talking about depth. And another 5 meters lower, so meaning 5 red counters again. All in all, we have 8 red counters. So for the number sentence, so we will have negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. Using the number line, so 3 meters depth. So which means from 0 to the left. So negative 3 units. And the other one, negative 5 units. So move 5 units again to the left of negative 3. So as we can see, we have negative 8. So negative 3 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 8. Let us add numbers 3 and 5 using colored counters, and the other one using number line. Okay, so using colored counters, the yellow, which means positive, so 3 yellow colored counters, and another 5 positive, so you will use 5 yellow counters. So the total of yellow counters, we have 8. For the number sentence, we have positive 3 plus positive 5 is equal to 8. So they are both positive and therefore the sum is also positive. For using the number line, positive 3, start from 0, which means 3 units to the right. Positive 5, which means you will start from positive 3 and 5 units to the right. And therefore, we have 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Again, to add integers with same sign, add the numbers and use the sign common to both integers. Another example, An organization of women empowerment has 80 male members and 78 female members. How many members does the organization have for the solution? Which means positive 80 plus 78 is equal to 158 members. You can add the numbers in horizontal form like this. And the other one for the vertical form. 80 plus 78. So in adding in vertical form, make sure that all the digits are aligned. You start from the right, so 0 plus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 7 is 15. Therefore, the answer is 158 members. Next, Susie receives 2 items in the mail. One is a check amounting of 3,000 pesos, while the other is a house rental bill for 5,000 pesos. How much is her net gain or loss? Okay, so since we have a check here, meaning this is her money, 3,000 pesos, and the other one for the house rental bill, which means she will pay 5,000 pesos. So solution, let us each counter represent 1,000 pesos. So per counter, it is 1,000 pesos. So how many colored counters of positive is 3,000? Let's find out. Okay, so 3 colored counters, so represent this as positive. Another one, 5,000 pesos, since she will pay a rental bill for 5,000 pesos. So 5 colored red counters. Hey, if we are going to combine the 3 positive and 3 negative, the remaining is 2 red colored counters. So which means that the answer is negative. Right? For the number sentence, so we will have 3,000 plus negative 5,000 is negative 2,000. Right? Negative 2,000 is her loss. Okay, for the number line, add or show the process on the number line. Negative 3 plus 7. Okay, start from 0, negative 3. So we will have negative 3 or 3 units to the left. Okay, for positive 7. So start from negative 3, 7 units to the right. Okay, so count off from negative 3, 7 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that's it. The answer is positive 4. So negative 3 plus 7 is equal to positive 4. So for the rules, to add integers with different signs, subtract their absolute values and use the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. For the other rules, for addition of integers, we have the acronym LOVES. L stands for like signs. A stands for add, then copy this common sign. U, unlike signs. S, subtract, then copy the sign of the greatest absolute value. Let us have the examples for like signs and unlike signs. Okay, if we have to add 5 plus 6 or both positive 5 and 6, we will have 11. Negative 5 plus negative 6, we will have negative 11. For the unlike signs, positive 5 and negative 6, we will have negative 1. Negative 5 plus positive 6 is equal to positive 1. Okay, for the like signs, we will add and copy the common sign. For the unlike sign, subtract, then copy the sign of the greatest absolute value. Okay, so 5 is positive, 6 is negative. They have unlike sign, meaning you are going to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then copy the sign of the greatest absolute value, which is 6 has the greatest absolute value, and the sign of 6 is negative, so therefore your answer is -1. For letter D, -5 plus +6. Subtract again, 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, look for the sign of the greatest absolute value. +6 has the greatest absolute value and it is positive, so therefore the sign of the answer is +1. Okay, let us have your practice. You can pause the video and answer these numbers 1 to 5 for letter A. Okay, show the process on the number line. You are going to add again. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So thank you very much for listening.